So what I'm doing right now is exposing true metal on a file, getting it ready to forge weld, and I will do the same for 2 mild steel plates later on. So here I'm cleaning the mild steel, which has no carbon in it. Well, it has very little carbon in it. The carbon steel, which is going to be thicker, you can see the thickness difference. They're the same shape, so they're going to go together like this. And they're going to form a blade, and when I etch it, it'll look really cool. You guys will see in the end, but I'm going to make a tanto out of this, which if you want to do so, you should go look it up, see what kind of blade type it is. But yeah, I'm going to get these ready to tack weld and throw in the forge. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to take some acetone, and I'm going to use this tool to open it up. And I'm going to take a little bit of sterile paper towel, just clean paper towel, put some acetone on it, and this acetone is, as the name implies, kind of like an acid. So I'm just going to rub it on the pieces here, make sure they're all clean. Now you can see here that there is a little bit of an indent. You see that? And this acetone really clears everything off so you can see those well. And that is from the vise. If it'll focus. I don't know, but there it is. So, I'm just going to clean these off. And I have another paper towel over here that once I rub these down with acetone, I put them over here on the other one. See how much dirt and nasty was on that? So, take another piece of paper towel. I'm going to put some acetone on it. And this acetone will start to eat your skin after a while, and that actually stings a little bit. To avoid that, you just wear latex or rubber gloves. So,
are you looking for a great pay plan? Are you looking for a 5-day work week? Well, you're looking for Horace Nissan Hyundai. Horace Nissan Hyundai and Horace Super Center have immediate openings for 2 professional salespeople. Please apply.
Put that over here. How much goop was on that? Take the last piece that I have over here and do the same. That should, because that's not really indent. Let me focus it here. That's not really an indent. What that is it's just different grit, so it looks like it's indented, but it's really just more shiny, so that shouldn't affect the forge weld that much. So now there are the pieces, and I'm going to clean them up, tack them together, and forge weld them. So I have the billet here with mild steel, carbon steel, mild steel, and I'm getting ready to tack it up. So I'm going to tack weld it on the sides and maybe a little bit in the middle, and then I'm going to throw it in the forge. So I've tack welded it right there. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So here's the billet, and it's a lot thinner than the carbon steel originally was, which worries me because the mild steel that I put on the sides might have just oxidized and turned into black stuff or scale and just fallen off. So I might not be holding a San Mai billet right now. It might just be carbon steel and no mild steel on the sides. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's San Mai or not right now. I'll get some ferric chloride and etch into that and see if it is. But if it's not, I will try again and there will be a part 2.